Today, we're diving into the world of wall decor, and I'm going to share some expert tips on how to hang artwork and mirrors properly to transform your space. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our creative content. Let's get started. The first step in hanging artwork and mirrors is to gather your supplies. You'll need a tape measure, a level, a pencil, hammer, nails, and wall anchors for heavier items. Make sure you have the right hanging hardware for each piece. The age-old saying measure twice, cut once applies here as well. Measure the height, width, and spacing for each piece on the wall. Use a pencil to mark the spots where your nails or anchors will go. Take your time to ensure accurate measurements and a perfectly aligned display. Once your pieces are on the wall, use a level to ensure they are straight. Adjust as needed to maintain a balanced and visually appealing display. A well-aligned arrangement adds a professional touch to your wall decor. Quick tip: group smaller artworks together for a curated gallery wall. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to hanging artwork and mirrors like a pro. I hope these tips help you elevate your wall decor game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your own wall decor tips in the comments below.